Alright, so this is basically for anybody who's using the Lyft Hertz Express rental. If you have an issue with your tire, depending on what it is, they may or may not cover it. If you come to Discount Tire, they'll plug your tires and stuff like that for free. So I'd be more than likely to come to Discount Tire for my real tires on my car, on my Chevy, than I ever would to go to Pep Boys, since they didn't even really help me with my rental. Alright, so I had the spare in the back of the trunk. When I called them for the roadside assistance, I thought that, they would bring me a whole other tire because I don't want to drive myself, let alone my passengers, around on a donut. It looks weird as hell, and at the same time, it's not safe. Like when you get on a freeway or even on the street, your driving, your steering is not the same. But they don't send anybody out to bring a new tire. They just come to change it. So I just did it myself. So after you check in with them and everything, and they get your mileage and your keys and all, they pull your car into the shop, go ahead, pull it up, they put the tire on for you, they put the spare back there, and they balance it all out for you. So I'm definitely looking forward to bringing my car to them when I get my car back up on deck, and I stop driving the rental car, because they did quite well with me. That would have costed me a bit of money and some time. So like there's some spare parts or something like that that comes out of the tire or whatever they do, and they give it to you in a Ziploc, and they give you the whole paperwork, so you understand the disclosure forms. They gotta protect themselves, but otherwise they do a proper job, and all of the check lights and stuff for your tires and stuff will go out in the rental. These new cars got all the checks when you can tell the difference between a spare and a regular. They give you the pieces to it. And there you can see the receipt for the free flat repair and the rebalance and everything like that. And they just have you sign off on the disclosure. But other than that, it's that quite plain and simple. Well, that's pretty much it. If you ever get any problems with your car, take it to Discount Tire first, because, Pep Boys, and especially if you're on the Hertz program with Lyft, may or may not cover it all. You might have to have a tire actually blow, and it has to not be your fault. Like, my case, I had a nail, and it came out, but it was so small. But they plugged it, and it worked out well, so I'm going to throw a couple of videos at y'all. Chime in the next time.